Despite all our automated systems and equipment, Digicom still employs manual inspection at every part of the process. Nothing beats the experienced eye of a production engineer who is familiar with every step of the board's design, prototyping, fabrication, and first article runs. Solder deposits are examined and touched up where needed, and components, the orientation, and connections are checked.